Hello class, this is Trent Speck here, and I'm talking on behalf of Module 8, AEP 873, Module 8, which is talking about Google Sites. Hopefully everyone's doing good, and hopefully everyone's learning a lot about this. I personally have never used Google Site before this class, like right now, like 15 minutes before I'm doing this presentation. I messed around with it, learned how to do some things, and okay, I lied. It was probably more closer to an hour I messed around with it, but I kind of got the hang of it. It's pretty cool how to use it. So from google.com, I'm logged in. So you go to the Hollywood Squares, as my principal calls it, or the Google Apps. So there's 9, of course. So you go to Google Sites here, or you can go down to More and press on that. So I'm going to Google Sites. Okay, so I'm logged in, like I said, with my Fort Hays State University account. So I'm going to go ahead and create one. So you can create in classic sites or new sites. I've only messed with classic. New is like it says, a little bit newer, but classic is pretty good. I'm going to browse. I'm going to create a template so I can use it for this site. So I'm going to browse the template. I'm going to go to school and education. I'm going to go ahead and pick the generic one, which is education website. You can't really go wrong with this. Why I like it is it has a calendar, it has lessons and projects and stamps, or sitemap. So this is what it looks like. So I'm going to go ahead and use template. I'm going to go ahead and title it Personal Finance 1. Or first hour. We'll go first hour. So I teach a personal finance class. It, of course, is first hour. I can select a theme, if I want to. I'm not going to. I'm just going to show you what different options there are. There's branches, desert, beige and blue, water. Okay, there's a lot of different ones. And tree house, that looks pretty cool. But I'm not going to pick any of them. I'm going to leave that alone for now. I'm going to go up here to create. Got everything filled out. Create it. I'm going to give it a second real quick. Might take a while. Hopefully the internet's working. Okay, besides that, this is pretty cool how it shows up. Boom, it's right there. So this is what it looks like. This is what the generic from the very start looks like. Okay, very good. I'm going to go ahead and click that exit, and if I go back right here to sites, it shows up right here. So if I go back to Google real quick and I go to sites, now it is there. Boom, right there. Click on it, it takes me right to the home page. Okay, thank you for watching the first video.